So it's negative 168 as in a depth of 168. The quadratic function g models the depth in meters below the surface of the water of a seal t minutes after the seal entered the water during a dive. The function estimates that the seal reached its maximum depth of 302.4 meters 6 minutes after it entered the water. Based on the function, what was the estimated depth to the nearest meter of the seal 10 minutes after it entered the water? This is an advanced question because it has to do with quadratic regression, finding the equation of a parabola based on a couple of the points of the parabola. So it's implied that if this is time and this is depth, which I'm going to define depth being negative, that it starts at 0, 0 and reach the surface of the water 12 minutes later. So this is 12, 0. Then it tells you that the maximum depth, well, of course, is 6 minutes later. You know that the maximum depth is 6 minutes later if it's a parabola, 302.4. Now, you can actually get Desmos to do the quadratic regression for you, which is probably what I would recommend in this case. So let me move this over here and show you how you could get Desmos to cooperate. 6, negative 302.4. So on Desmos, I can put in a table and do quadratic regression. I can put in 0, 0, 12, 0, and 6, negative 302.4. Then if I hit this and do quadratic regression, yeah, it'll give you the equation of a parabola. Now you found the general equation. So the depth to the nearest meter of the seal, y minutes after it entered the water. Well, I can simply put in a table for here and say I want to plug in 10. Oh, I'm sorry. I meant to put the table for here. Insert a table and insert 10. So it's negative 168 as in a depth of 168.